But yeah, I've been doing this for 5 years, and it's very taxing mentally. It's not an overly physical job. Once my stuff goes out, I sit in my car, and that's where I've done a lot of client work, has been at work. So I've been doubling up a lot of the time, and that's been fine. But you do get to a point where you find a purpose or a focus, and it brings you want to build something, and it brings you into alignment. And this job is no longer part of that for me. I've kind of hinted at it a lot, and there are a lot of people that know, but for those of you that don't know, I'm moving to Japan. I'm leaving my job, and I'm moving to Japan.
Yeah, I love me the most. I admit it, trying to be the boss, killing with shows. Now I'm busy trying to kill them all, breaking the law. I can't believe it, not like butter, baby, all on my toes.
Years in the making, and that is like a really crazy thing to think about. Well, I wanted to get to Japan since I was like 8 years old, and now I'm 28, and I'm actually moving there for a year. So although it was very emotional this morning, leaving my parents for a year to go and live in another country where we're opposite ends of the earth to each other, it's a very emotional time. But I'm so unbelievably excited about this trip. It's dead weird. I wasn't expecting this to happen, but when I check my bags, my bags are going straight to Japan, and obviously I've got a changeover in Guangzhou in China. So when I get off the plane, I'm just going to have my hand luggage with me and nothing else. But this is also my first time flying in business class, so I've never been in one of the lounges here, which is very nice. I've just had some wonderful pancakes, and this is my second cup of coffee. I've had a pint as well, and just starting this trip off really, really nicely. I'm looking forward to the flight, but I'm looking forward to getting some sleep. Because I'm shattered. I've been like a kid at Christmas though. That kind of anticipation for this, career change, life move style thing. Doing this again entirely solo. That's why the Poland trip was so good, because that was my first time traveling solo. This I'm actually moving country. So unbelievably excited, and of course I'm bringing you all with me. I'll be ready to go, but it won't be too much longer before the gates close.
Shawty gotta pay me. Call me shady. Wait, you said it's okay though. How you gonna play out? I've been on the lady, gone and bought a fade out. Then the cookies playing all up in your Play-Doh. Think you know about me? I know that you lay low. I say though, ooh, kept up on your samo, ready to fold my commas. Hype because you just walk by, add it up and Brahma. Medulla oblongata, it's so beautiful, mama. Burst in your personal bubble, I'm not gon' paint ya. Make up with one of your friends or two, her name Lila. She kinda cute when I met her. I don't know, I don't know about you, but I just told you so. Camo bloody dude, now baby, what the fuck? Oh my God, it's true that I miss you. Question, why is it when I want a Grammy they gotta cancel this shit? Why is it when you want a family I gotta plan for that shit, bro? Better moments in my dog, but if it's on it, gotta go to on it, jail. It's something special when it's next on my hit list. Hope we could find it out.
Okay, so I've now landed in China, so that was an 11-hour flight. That was like an hour faster than planned originally, so that's really, really good. But we was an hour delayed as well, so it balanced out that we got here at about 6:40. But we've just been rushed through. That's why I've got this like random yellow sticker on my shoulder, because we've just been rushed through the airport security and stuff.
Very efficient, all I'd say. Very efficient, but there's like connecting flights going absolutely everywhere. There's some to Sydney, some to Melbourne. Tokyo Narita is like just finished boarding now. So, and I was originally going to get that connecting flight, but then I decided to give myself the extra hour and get this connecting flight instead. So we've got two-thirds of the journey done now. 4-hour flight left to go. But if they're as efficient as there was in the first flight, then I might be there like an hour early, which is great. The only problem is having a Wi-Fi. So I'm trying to get the public Wi-Fi and stuff, and it's not really working because I could do with sending messages to people, but I've got no way of doing that at the minute. So I'm just going to wait till I get to Japan, and as soon as I get on a Wi-Fi there, I'll sort everything out. But 11 hours, that's flown by, absolutely flown by, and we've got business class again on this flight, so looking forward to having another drinky poos.
So now I'm here for the next year, which is insane. It's a dream come true. This is 20 years in the making, something like that. So yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled. 17 and a half hours worth of travel. That's flight time, my layover, and then that excludes the time it took to get here as well. It's probably like 20 hours in total. That's probably more than that. It's probably about 25 hours in total, including the drive down to London. So yeah, no, I'm thrilled to be here, and this adventure for the next year starts today. So I'm gonna head out. Might take you guys along with me. Might just get my bearings. I'll just have to see how that goes. But for at least the next year, you're gonna be seeing a lot of videos of me here in Japan, which is like insane. It's just a dream come true. I cannot be more grateful for this particular moment. So yeah, and hope you guys kind of enjoyed that little transition of me getting to here. I'll probably go a bit more in depth as to
how you guys can get here as well. But until then, until the next video, you take it easy. Peace.